Good morning everyone. As you can see, we're driving right now. It's a beautiful day and we're on our way to the Black Forest. In the car in front of us we have Andreas, Oma and Opa and my cousin. Here we're with Ashley, Joanna and Lucas, and we're going on a hiking trip today, a little nice round trip. It's probably going to be around 3 hours. There's going to be waterfalls, there's going to be a little climbing section, there's going to be amazing views, and seems like the weather is gonna stay awesome. So we'll take you on the trip and enjoy.
Yay, are we excited?
Yay!
Lucas is pumped.
We are gonna hiking to the waterfalls, and the sun is shining, it's very hot, and now we started our hiking tour.
Okay, let me explain this some more. At the beginning of this hike there was a so-called Schnaps well. That is, as you can see, a cute wooden tub with soda and beer and schnapps in it, and cold mountain water running through it. And the way this works, everyone who's walking by and needs a little pick-me-up can take whatever he wants and is just kindly asked to leave behind whatever is owed.
Lucas, what are we doing?
Was machen wir?
What are we doing?
We're doing a hike. We're walking past waterfalls, up a mountain, and you just sit in there. You're supposed to sleep, but you don't want to sleep because there's too much stuff to look around. Exactly, that's
So
what
fun.
we're doing.
Zooming in on you.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
1 mile to
1
the
mile left,
Karlsruher
alright.
Grat.
Woohoo!
Hello. So we're missing something, and this is the search and find crew. So we made it. How far up do you think? Halfway up to our destination, and we realized that we didn't have Lucas's hat. So we headed back down, and look what we found.
I didn't tag it right. It's my fault.
But we found it, and all is good.
Yes.
And now we're hiking back up.
Now we're hiking back up and the others are waiting for us. Ah.
Here we go.
Der ist der Mountain. Viel nach da, wenn ich sag. Der Mountain.
Ja, aber dann
Very
das
nice.
Mikrofon uns machen.
Der ist Instagram-Star Joanna. Der ist Andreas. Und der ist Ashley. And here, zeig dich. Hier ist Sebastian. He's very, yes, very good interview. Bye.
We knew this upcoming part of the trail had some pretty steep and dangerous sections. So we left Lucas with Oma and Opa. They were going to take a different trail and meet up with us right after our adventure.
Yay!
Not quite yet.
All the little bodies coming out of the... Whoa. Nice save.
Boah, erstmal Zecken checken heute Abend.
All right, so we just passed the key part of the trail, which is called, by the way, Karlsruher Grat. And as you were able to see, it's very, very steep. And where the cross is at the very front of it, someone actually, I don't know how long ago, accidentally slipped and died. So the good news is we made it alive.
We're all here.
We're all still here.
All present.
And we are continuing the hike. It's definitely not as exposed anymore, the rest of the hike. And then at the end, we're just gonna meet up with my mom and dad and Lucas again. And then I'm sure we're gonna go somewhere and eat and drink something, because we're the herb family. That's what we do. See you later. Sag hallo Mama.
Hello!
Hallo Mama. Sag winke winke.
We made it.
Hallo.
We're at the end
Well,
of the hike now.
not really. So we're at the... We could have parked here, but now we have to still walk back to the car.
Oh.
But everything from here now it's easy. And mostly downhill.
Any water anywhere?
I hope so. I'm thirsty. Oh.
Sharing snacks.
Yeah.
Sharing snacks. Hello.
Come on, Lucas. Come on, hello Mama. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Oh yeah, are they empty?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Exactly. Do you like it in the forest? Uh-huh. I agree. I agree.
Finally got a radler
Where?
at this little hut that says Wilkman.
It's just a random well here. Oh, da, wir sind dort. Where there's beer and schnapps.
Oh, Bio-Limonade.
And the monies. You pull your drink. That's a German vending machine.
Eingetragene
That's what it is.
Schutzmarke.
So we started up. There's the there. And now we're near the town. We're across from where we saw. Lucas is having a good time. And we're still making our way down.
Living his best life.
Hallelujah!
It's a big moment.
We see
The car is ahead of us.
the cars ahead of us, and I have to admit, the last few kilometers or the last few miles, they really felt long. So, hallelujah.
We made it, we made it.
But
Yes.
fun day. We saw waterfalls. We had a climbing section. We saw nice forests. We had drinks at the German vending machines. And it was a good day.
It was a good day. Exactly. We made it! Celebration dance! Yeah! Woohoo! I don't see the car, but it's down there somewhere.
Right next to the red one.
Okay. Oh yeah. Yee! How do you feel, Lucas? You feel good?